morning, everyone. Let me just make sure it recognizes me. So, hi, good morning. Absolutely wonderful to see all of you here today. Very happy to open this 19th annual Non-Dilutive Funding Summit. I mean, we've been doing that for 19 years. That's a lot, and I expect not many of you know, but we actually mark the beginning of Freemind's 25th anniversary this year. So it's been a journey, and we love it, and it's been growing, and I think we have over 1,000 people registered for this event, and they'll come and go throughout the day. But it's absolutely amazing for me, been through this since 2003, actually, to be here in San Francisco, to have this event going on for so long, and really contribute. For the past 24 years, we've served the life science community, building a bridge. Thousands of companies have used to propel their innovation, scientific discoveries. We've assisted countless projects, and we helped them be funded with well over $2 billion over the years. We've supported this industry, its task for a better, for a healthier world, and we're extremely happy to take part in this process. Every year we're able to bring together in this event industry leaders, innovators, entrepreneurs, with the largest and most important engine, we believe, that supports the life science R&D efforts, which are the federal agencies and the other non-dilutive funding funds available. We're thrilled to have them, as every year, to have directors, executives from non-dilutive funding agencies. They'll present their position, their agency's policies, directions, opportunities. But also this year, we present two new initiatives by Freemind, which we believe will represent not only the industry's excellence, but also its ever-evolving position to market conditions and challenges presented to it. The first is the Freemind Elite recognition. We actually have been thinking of that for several years now. We've witnessed from the front row seat absolute best entrepreneurs turn ideas into cures. It has been a wonderful thing to see, and we have seen and witnessed the impact of non-dilutive funding has on innovators in the industry, and the predictive importance it has on those companies in their long and very difficult journey. As some of you know, we've been fortunate enough in the past couple of years to turn this knowledge base into an investment platform, and actually maybe it's a good point to mention that in the past year we've added more investments into our portfolio on the fund as well. So it has been a good year on that front as well. The excellence, the potential we are able to identify through this rigorous non-dilutive funding process is amazing, and really is indicative to the future performance of companies from a business perspective, but really to the future of their ability to provide cures, to provide devices, to provide therapeutics, and to help to have a better and healthier world. With the Freemind Elite, we recognize the top 5 companies out of hundreds we have reviewed, worked with, and assisted and gotten to know. We worked in the past year with 306 companies, and these are our top 5 Freemind Elite companies for 2023. Adaptix Corporation, Marker Therapeutics, Vincere Biosciences, Sapiens Therapeutics, and Amplify DX. Each of the five companies have excelled at this journey, which requires companies not only to have the most cutting-edge innovation, great science, the best scientific teams, and the most potential to impact an impactful solution, but they also require them to present it all in the best possible way through a review by KOLs, by the reviewers, very critical process, or at the very least know to come to us for help. That's good too. The leaders of each of the 2023 Freemind Elite companies will present today, throughout the day. They'll share their company's vision and journey, and their success and relevance of the non-dilutive funding process and funding they received to their journey as companies. The second issue we'll mark today and we'll talk about today, I believe is one of the greatest impact on all of our lives. At large, in our particular market specifically, and I mean FreeMind and the non-dilutive funding process specifically. We all witnessed in the past few months, maybe a year or so, the fast rise of new technologies and methods and the astonishing ways in which they impact our lives. Specifically in the past few years, and maybe as mentioned months, we've witnessed the growing influence of regenerative artificial intelligence, LLMs, and data management models on our lives. As leaders in this industry, in an industry that is based on the two main legs, these revolutions are turning our lives around, which are language and knowledge or data. The impact of these fast and important changes have on our organization at FreeMind and our clients, and thus the industry, is huge. Today, Ayala René, my colleague, and our CBO will unveil FreeMind's own new AI-based suites, which we've developed over the past many months. He'll present the new tools we're going to start implementing very soon. Some of them are actually already implemented. And we'll talk about our vision to this specific element in our lives and how it is important to the non-dilutive funding, writing, identifying applications, and work on that. We want to take advantage of the accumulated knowledge we have, over 20 years of writing grants, thousands of submissions, indeed reviews, and the applications resubmitted after those reviews. It gives us a great insight to what an application should look like. And therefore, we want to create a complete suite of tools designed to support the non-dilutive funding application submission process. In our vision, we see a streamlined process, faster, more accurate, requiring significantly less time from the researchers, from companies, and from company leaders, allowing an A to Z process of submitting an application, from the identification of the very best funding opportunity for a specific project, taking into account the company's strategy, their needs, financially, scientifically, any other way, to supporting the precise, most importantly, safe and secure writing of each section of the application of a particular mechanism in a specific agency or institute. The first set of tools we've completed work on, and which we will start deploying very soon in the coming weeks, will be presented later by Ayal. And I think this vision is an important one. We believe it is our commitment to not only present the industry with a service that allows companies to take advantage of accumulated knowledge that we have, but also allows companies to be at the forefront of the technological innovation and developments of this right balance between secure, precise, accurate, and time-saving process. So I'm happy to be here today. So basically, I just wanted to thank you all for joining us. I know some of you will come out and come in for different presentations and talks of different speakers. I think we have an amazing day planned for us. And again, just thanks a lot. Have a great day and come see us. We're all around here at People for FreeMind. Thanks a lot.